Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Mitsubishi Mirage. First, let's get started by locating the cruise control buttons, which are typically found on your steering wheel. You'll see an on/off button. Simply press this to activate the system. Once engaged, a helpful green indicator light will illuminate on your dashboard, letting you know the system is ready for use. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a more relaxed driving experience. Now that the system is on, accelerate your Mirage to your preferred cruising speed, ensuring you are traveling above 25 miles per hour. Once at your desired speed, press the Set/Coast button to lock it in. To fine-tune your speed, use the Res/Excel button to gently increase it, or press Set/Coast again to slightly decrease your speed. This allows for precise adjustments without needing to use the accelerator pedal. There are a few simple ways to disengage your cruise control. For a temporary pause, simply press the Cancel button located on your steering wheel. Alternatively, a light tap on the brake pedal will also disengage the system, providing a smooth transition back to manual control. If you wish to completely turn off the cruise control function, just press the On/Off button again. This offers flexibility and control whenever you need it. If you've temporarily canceled cruise control and wish to return to your previous speed, simply press the Res/Excel button. For the best experience and optimal fuel efficiency, we recommend using cruise control primarily on open highways with consistent speeds. It's important to avoid using it in heavy traffic, on winding roads, or during adverse weather conditions like rain or snow to maintain full control of your vehicle. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.